welcome back with yours in Demonicness, Hellfire. Now, going back to some of my VB things, just a little bit more on VB. Starting a new series where I'll be showing you how to make a little RPG in Visual Basic. Now, today we're just going to start on the menu, sorting out the different forms of the menu, the game form, instructions, things like that. And the series is, I'm not going to explain in quite as much detail as I did for my other series on everything. I'll just briefly say what it all is. So, start by resizing the form. So, a good size for the form. Let's see what this will look like. There we go. So, that looks like a good, and actually it's a bit small. Let's make it a bit bigger. So, see what this looks like. Okay, a bit too tall. There we go, that looks like a good size. So, now we've got our form. Let's change the text for it. What are we going to call the game? We'll just call it RPG for now. And then title, we'll change that to title form. So this is our parent form. That colour will change to, we'll just make it plain white. So now let's add label. So now we'll just call the game D&D RPG kind of thing. Okay, I forgot I can't take ands like that. We'll just, oh, that looks terrible. We'll just call it RPG. There we go. So change the size and font so it looks a little bit better. About 72. What font? What's that look like? Oh, that looks terrible. Well, that looks a little bit better. Still a little bit on the small side though. Yeah, that looks a little bit better. Doesn't look very good, but we'll sort that out later. So, let's did that in the middle. So, what size was our form again? It was 1800, so 900. And we'll stick in the middle later on. So, grab our buttons. Remember where they are. So, button to start the game, button for the instructions form, and then a button to quit the game. So, don't want to do that just yet, but I will. So, name, start game. We'll change the text to start game as well. Start game. We'll just make the button a bit bigger. So, how does that look? Bit better. So we'll just bang that somewhere in the middle for now. So same thing for these buttons. Sort out the size first. Ooh, no, that's different size. There we go. So I'll line it all up off camera later on, because you all know how to do that. So This one will go. Ooh. Instructions. And this one will be quit game. Oops. Quit game. There we go. So I'll make that look nicer later on, because you all know how to change text. In fact, now let's do it now. Oh, it's not what we want. So, what font did we use for this one again? Catano. Okay. So, Catano. There we go. Ooh, make it a bit bigger as well. Button's gonna need to be bigger. We'll make it 100 after all. This one. Make that 100. And just make this look pretty. Catano. Six. Same one here. And then 26 again. Okay. So there's basics of a form. Then let's just grab two picture boxes. Picture. There we go. Picture box here. We will grab. So we will import a picture. Go into pictures. I need to sort out graphics. Use same graphics from this one. So there. Ooh, it's not the one we wanted. That one will do. Now let's find size mode, stretch image, and we will make it. Let's make it 200 be 300. Looks a little bit blurry, but I'll sort out the images later on. In fact, nah. Look even more blurry, but like I said, sort out the nice images later on. Let's get another picture box, put it all over here, and grab image of got enemy one. So we want to make it stretch image and size 600, 400. Right, was it? 400, 600, sorry. Get my vectors mixed up. Just throw that there. Right, so here's like the little title form. Looks a little bit terrible, but we'll sort that out later. So now we will get on to a little bit of coding. So hashtag region buttons. We'll stick our little buttons code in here. So we've got button 1, we also want button 2, button 3, and I've forgotten to rename these buttons. So instructions and quit. There we go. Just double click on them again so it updates the code. So drag these into here just to keep our code nice and tidy. So the third button, which is the quick button, we just want to do me.close. And these two will want to load up other forms they'll want to load up other forms. So for our start game, we want project, add Windows form, add another Windows form. So if we make this one the same size as our title form, there we go. So, and then if we change it to game form, now go here and we can put me.hide and then put game form dot show. There we go. So obviously I'll quickly explain this, although I will go into massive detail. We want to hide the title form instead of close it because it's the parent form. So if we close it, as we are here, it will close the program. But we don't want it to do that. We just want to hide it. So we'll hide it. So we'll close other forms, but the title form we will only hide unless we actually want to close the program. So here we want to do the same thing, but with a different form. So now let's go project, add another Windows form, change the size again. Then we want to change the name of this one to instructions form. Just save all of this. So here we just will do me.hide again and instructions.show. So our game form for now we'll leave. We'll add more to that in a later tutorial. But let's add a little bit to our instructions form. So here, what did we? Catania 150p. So let's do the same with this label. Hang on. There we go. Catania bold oblique 150. Underline it. Yes, we did there. Now we just want. Don't want to do that. Cut that. Close that. We don't want that just yet. So now we want to type out game instructions. Just bring this over here somewhere. There we go. That actually looks a little bit on the big side. So let's make that slightly smaller. Let's try 125. There we go. That looks a bit better. So we've got that. So now we'll just add our button that will take us back to the main menu. So we'll call it main menu. Add a text to it for it. Main menu. Just make it a bit bigger. Oh, no, that's way too big. There we go. Just change the font on it again. Catania BT, bold oblique. We'll make it about that. Just throw that down here somewhere. So now let's grab a rich text box. We'll just pull it out a little bit. So let's just give it a nice size. If we say 13,000, maybe 600. That looks a little too big. Let's make that a bit smaller. There we go, that looks a bit more manageable. And again, making mistake of double clicking there. So first, before we do anything, let's just change the font. This one, Captain bold, goes 16. So how does this look when we type in any text? So text test, that looks pretty good. Okay, so in here we'll type in the storyline, but for now we'll just put storyline. I can't see you lot being overly thrilled with just sitting here watching me type out a storyline for this. So do that a bit later on. So get another region. We'll throw the button into there. Okay, so this time we want it to close this form and go back to the main menu or title form. So we put title form dot show and then me dot close. So now if we run it, we can go on the instruction form and okay, nice that. Yeah, okay, here we go. So I'm not quite sure why that wasn't working, but to fix it, all I've done is rename the instructions form to info form, change it so that it shows that, and it works now. So I'm not quite sure why that wasn't working, but there we go. So now we can quit. We've got the instructions which we can come back from and start game. So from here you can just start prettying up your forms a little bit. I've just put 2 basic pictures in. You've got your game form, which let's just change text of. So game form, save that, and change text on this one to instructions. So you've got your main menu with the basic navigation, game form which we'll add to later on, and then you've got your instructions form. So here you can put the controls for the game, the background story for the game, so what's going on, and I'll type in the instructions and what the aim of the game is and background details. But you don't need to watch me type that out because that would just be boring. So, but you could add pictures, animations, or anything like that. We could add animations to this, but show you how to do that at a later time. So thanks for watching. This has been Hellfire 1997, and I will see you later. Hellfire out.